reaching. You're so hot that I'm melting, felt like a crash. Now I'm trying to get back before the cooler run out. I'll be giving it my best till nothing's gonna stop me, but divided to let you reckon to get my turn to win some or learn some, but I hesitate. I'm beautiful. No more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Oh yeah. New York, I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your planet, damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love. Listen to the music of the moment, baby, sing like me. We're just one big family, and it's your God, take a right to be love, 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 love. So I hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. Yeah, sure, this is our fate. I'm yours.
Alright, this is the part where we're going to ask some help from you guys. A little crowd participation. Repeat after me. Down. No, nose down. Down. Hey, hey. Repeat after me. Here we go.
Sing whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 yeah, 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 oh, wow, wow, wow,
Yeah.
humana, 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 yeah, love, love, love.
So Dr. You now. That one hurt. I heard. That's a Bob Marley.
Oh, I woke up this morning just in time for the rising sun. There were three little birds outside my doorstep. Yes, they were singing some sweet song. Oh, the melody pure and true. They were singing, this is my message to you. They were singing, don't worry about a thing, la 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 la. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing, yeah. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Come on, New York, here we go. Last time, now I'm yours.
So, oh, oh, oh. Our time is sure, this is our